Are you fed up with your health insurance, or is it just time to take a look and see if there's something better out there? 7 types of health insurance that you never thought about, or maybe never even heard of. Nowadays, a lot of people think about the Affordable Care Act when they think of health insurance. And if you've got a predictable income that will qualify you for a large tax credit to lower your premium, the Affordable Care Act might be your best option. I can help with that. But if you don't get a tax credit, then ACA, or Obamacare as it's called, is not really that affordable, is it? My name is Justin, and I'm a full service health insurance broker. Why not take 15 minutes to sit down with me, a licensed health insurance broker, and make sure that your insurance is really the best fit for your needs? Here's 7 types of health insurance you probably never even thought about. 1, visit limit plans. If you like having ultra low deductibles and low copays for the most common procedures like office visits, specialist visits, mammograms, and urgent care, then visit limit plans are a great way to go. Visit limit plans are super affordable, coming in at about half the price of ACA compliant health insurance. And yet they still give you most of the same benefits. Most visit limit plans even meet the 10 essential health benefits of Obamacare. The trade-off, well, as the name implies, you only get a certain number of visits per year. After those visits are exhausted, you're responsible to pay all costs up to your maximum out of pocket. For example, you might just get 2 urgent care visits per year and 10 office visits per year, 6 chiropractic per year, etc. Visit limit plans are fairly new, so not a lot of people know about these. And as I mentioned, they're very affordable compared to full-price Obamacare plans. Number 2, short-term medical. Until recently, short-term medical was toast. It was restricted to just 3 to 4 months at a time. But love him or hate him, brought back short-term medical in a major way. You can now get up to 3 years of short-term medical at a time. Once you're qualified, you can't be kicked out for health problems that develop while you're on the plan. So having a 3-year term is advantageous if you develop a chronic condition. While the copays are not as low as visit limit plans, the monthly premiums can be even lower. Short-term medical is a great way to get affordable, catastrophic coverage in place, and some plans even help with preventative services like mammograms. Number 3, non-ACA Major Medical. A lot of people don't know this, but there are major medical plans out there that meet all of the 10 essential health benefits of Obamacare, and they are ACA compliant. However, these plans are truly private, so they are not listed on the health insurance marketplace. They're not on exchange, they're not off exchange, they're just private major medical plans with monthly premiums that are 20 to 30% less than ACA Obamacare health insurance plans. These plans control their costs by limiting expensive medications in the formulary and working out network negotiated rates with providers. Number 4, off-exchange major medical. In some cases, you may need to purchase Obamacare because it has no limits on pre-existing conditions. If you already have major health issues, then Obamacare is probably going to be the way to go. But if your income is unpredictable or just too high, tax credits may be unavailable or even risky. Keep in mind that with tax credits, if you win the lottery or earn more money than you estimated, then you do have to pay that back at the end of the year, which can be a big bill in some cases. So if your income is kind of up and down and you have major health problems, an off-exchange ACA compliant plan can be the way to go. By forgetting about the marketplace altogether and buying direct from the health insurer, you can save 10% or more on your premiums. Number 5, health shares. Now, I'm not a big fan of health shares myself because I think there are just better options out there. If you're in a sharing ministry, it means you pitch into a pool and everyone sort of helps each other out when they get sick. A health share is like a handshake. They can only pay if there's enough money in the pool. If everyone gets sick at the same time, the sharing ministry would be broke and it wouldn't be able to pay claims. If you're in a health sharing ministry, you should definitely schedule a free consultation with me. Let's see if we can improve your benefits, reduce your copays, and reduce your monthly premiums. Number 6, indemnity plans. Indemnity plans are first dollar coverage. That means when you get sick, they pay you a fixed amount for a specific procedure. For instance, some plans will pay you $160 for an office visit 6 times per year. So that means if you go to your primary care and he only charges you $100 for your office visit, then you'll actually get a check in the mail for $60. So these plans can actually put money in your pocket when you get sick. Of course, there are limits, and you can't just go to the doctor every day of the week. But wouldn't it be great to get paid for using your health insurance instead of paying out of pocket every time you use it? Number 7, bundled health insurance options. This is where having a health insurance broker like myself will really be beneficial. Because I work with more than 30 different carriers, that means I work for you, not the health insurance companies. I can show you how to bundle different health insurance policies together to maximize your benefits, lower your premiums, and minimize your out-of-pocket expenses. Sometimes this means working with 2 or 3 different companies to get the best deals. For example, one bundle is to purchase a health indemnity plan with accident and critical illness insurance altogether. This maximizes your protection and usually means you'll get a check back in the mail when you get sick. One client had a heart attack and got a $25,000 check in the mail after all his expenses were paid. Another example of bundling. Did you know that you can purchase a very affordable catastrophic plan that protects you from anything over $5,000 and then purchase an indemnity plan that pays you back when you go to the doctor? So you're covering the low end with the indemnity plan and you're covering the high end with the catastrophic plan. And the combined premium, it's usually going to be about half or less of what you'd pay for an Affordable Care Act plan. A third example of bundling is to purchase an Affordable Care Act plan with a high deductible, but bundle it with a plan that protects you from that high deductible. So let's say you purchase a bronze plan from the marketplace with a $10,000 deductible and zero premium because of your tax credits. Then you just add another plan for about $50 a month that helps to cover that $10,000 deductible if you get sick or injured. But if you had gone with a gold plan from the marketplace, you'd still have a $1,500 deductible and you'd be paying about $400 a month, even with those tax credits, right? So are you starting to see how creative bundling can actually give you better coverage and a lower premium? Keep in mind that for some of these private health insurance options that I've talked about here today, you do need to be relatively healthy to qualify, and there may be some health questions. But whatever your situation is, my job is to help you find the best fit for your needs. We just conduct a quick needs analysis and I give you some options. It's easy and simple. It doesn't cost anything to talk to me. I'm a real person, a real health insurance broker. And yes, you get to talk to me, not a computer, and not a group of agents that are staffed somewhere overseas. My name is Justin Hayes. Visit my website at www.justinsurance.net because it's about the net, not the gross, right? So go to www.justinsurance.net and book in a free consultation with me today. It only takes about 15 minutes to find out what you qualify for. Let's see if we can save you some money on your monthly premiums, lower your copays, and maximize your benefits. I work with individuals, families, and small businesses. Visit justinsurance.net and schedule your free consultation today. And by the way, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel to get more insurance insights as they become available. Go to www.justinsurance.net and book your free consultation today.